In this video, I'm going to be showing you some comment updates they made in this Animal Company update. Okay, so they made this Xbox, and also they made this TV from like the Office, but they actually didn't make the Office yet. And the next comment is they made the shark skin. And let's see if it's in here. Let's see. Nope, it's not. So, and also they made these new tails. A plug tail, fuzzy tail, and a lizard tail, I think. And then you have this. And also, they have this new map right here. And also, when they made this update, it actually looked like there was like a thing said danger from the wooden wall. And then it turned like this inside here. And the next one is like they made this $3, $8. And also I have a new item. It's right here. It's called the goop fish, and it looks like this, and it's sticky, but I don't know how to turn it on. So, wait, do we have to go? Let's see if we have to go in darks. Yep, we have to go in dark to make it light. Wait, yo, if we go away from it, it looks like, but when we go by it, no, wait. Okay, if you want to get one of the new items, then you have to like and subscribe and comment your middle name, so you could join me. And my fan code is 3D.DD. So make sure you join that if you want to meet me in Animal Company. And later!